Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert or copy spreadsheets into Google Docs. So in here, I want to copy a table from from Google Sheets into my document. For examples in here, so I want to copy a table from this flash right here. So what you need to do is just block the tables that you want to copy into Google Docs. Let's block this, for example. Okay, now you can just right click and click on copy. And then after that, you can go to the document. And here you can just right click and click on paste. And there will be this pop-up paste table. You can choose to link it into spreadsheet or just paste and link. I'm going to choose link because I want to add the spreadsheets into the file, the document. Click on paste. Just wait. Okay, so guys, as you guys can see here, the table has been copied into the Google Docs. And if you want to see the spreadsheet, you can just click on this and click on open source, and the spreadsheet will be open within seconds. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.